settlers and reconquer America. Shit. Shit, 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 fuck. There goes that unit. Every fucking game, it's the same thing. Shit. Like for real. Oh shit, fun game, fun fucking game. Oh, play. Nothing fun, you know? Oh, fucking barbarians rampage through my land, my workers get kidnapped. I'm having really fun right now. The battle is not lost. The battle is lost, but the war is the war on barbarians. The war on anti-America. Our nation shall recover. Top shit like that. Or the continuation of the American government and army. The fuck is that? That part.
Three things are to be
Yeah, big time. Being red is not a good look for the Enclave. Shall annihilate all red Chinese communists. I wish the Enclave was, you know, I wish the Enclave was a joinable faction in World War. They might have bested us at Navarro, but they will not win again. That is the stupidest thing that unit could have done. Get fucked. Candy of the New California Republic. My goal is to annihilate California Republic. You are occupying rightfully American soil. California shall be readmitted in the Union.
It's come to my attention that your empire is quite union. Did you forget to expand your borders, or are you just having a little trouble?
Our nation shall recover. Finally, some goddamn firepower. All of these. Out there. Brave riders have today sacrificed themselves for America. Decorators travel fucking forest, just raiding my territory all the fucking time. Finally, some fucking rest in the chaos. fuck? This ain't going to plan, I tell you. The plan was to bring back America. Something's broken. Something's broken. Something's very, very, very broken right now. Very, very, very broken.